St. Thomas English Medium School, Class 4th, Subject Mathematics by Richa Garg. A very warm welcome and hello to all the students. Today our topic is chapter number 2, long and short. What is long and short? If I give you an example of this, you students go to school every day in the morning, and when you go to the school first, assembly is done. During the assembly, when teachers make you stand in the line, what do teachers speak? Stand according to your height. That means for shorter and then little longer and then little more longer. By this example, we have to learn the meaning of long and short. Children, look at the picture and guess the distance between D and O. So children, what do you think? How much is the distance? The distance of D and O must be around 1 centimeter. Now children, use the ruler and measure the distance from D and O and check it with your answer. Now children, let's move to the next question. Which two dots do you think are farthest from each other? So tell me, which two dots are farthest? Farthest means far away from each other. So according to me, O and M are the farthest from each other. Now the next question is, which two dots are nearest to each other? Nearest means, children, closer to each other. So according to me, children, the dots which are near to each other is D and O or F and M. Now let's move to page number 14. In this picture, Akbar told Birbal that I have made a line. Now you have to make a line shorter without touching the line or without erasing the line. So what did Birbal do? Birbal made another longer line to the Akbar line, and by this Akbar line became shorter as compared to Birbal's line. Now students, let's try this. In this picture, you have to make a right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Now you can see in this picture, we have to make a right arm 1 centimeter longer. So for that, you have to measure the left arm. So for that, you have to take a ruler. With the help of a ruler, put the 0 centimeter on the shoulder till the fingertip. Suppose your left arm is 2 centimeter, then right hand should be 1 centimeter more than the left arm. So the right arm will be 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter is equal to 3 centimeter. So we have to take the ruler and make 3 centimeter right arm. Now the next activity is draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So children, shorter means smaller. So you can see in this cup, we have to make this cup 1 centimeter smaller. So for that, you have to take a ruler, measure the cup from the top to the bottom. Suppose, for example, the cup is 4 centimeter. So you have to make 1 centimeter shorter. So you will do 4 centimeter minus 1 centimeter will give you 3 centimeter. So see the picture and draw 3 centimeter smaller cup. Now the third activity is children, you have to draw a broom half as long as this broom. Broom means jharu. So how long is the broom? We have to draw half of the broom. So what will you do children? First, you will measure from the starting point to the ending point. Suppose this broom is 6 centimeter long, so you will divide 6 by 2. You will get 3 centimeter. So draw 3 centimeter broom with the help of your ruler. Now fourth activity is children, Draw another half of double the length. Double the length means children doguna. So children, when you have to double the length means whatever is your length you have to multiply it with 2. Suppose if your hair is 1 centimeter, so you have to multiply it with 2. So you will get 2 centimeter. So you will draw 2 centimeter more length of the hair. Now let's move to the next page number 15. How tall have you grown? Means how much is your height or how much are you taller? So children, do you remember how much was your height in class 3rd? So yes, you must have measured your height in class 3rd. So now next is, do you think you have grown taller? So yes, you have grown taller in class 4th. So now they are asking how much is your height? So you can measure your height and write it down. Now the next is, have your friend also grown taller? Yes, my friend have also grown taller. Now the next is, find out and fill the table below. So children, write your 5 friends' name. Suppose Harish last year height is 1 centimeter, 1 meter and 4 centimeter, and this year is 1 meter 7 centimeter. So now you have to measure the remaining height, the remaining this year. So for that we will do subtraction, like 1 meter 7 centimeter minus 1 meter 4 centimeter. So you will get 3 centimeter. So second friend Sunny height is 88 centimeter last year and 92 centimeter this year. So you will subtract 92 minus 88 centimeter and we get the answer 4 centimeter. So Sunny height is 4 centimeter more. Okay. Now third friend Manoj, last year height is 1 meter and this year height is 1 meter 2 centimeter. So you will have to subtract 1 meter 2 centimeter minus 1 meter. So you will get 2 centimeter more. So like this you can create your own table. Now the next activity is, Jalpa once read a list of the tallest people of the world. From the list there was one person who is 272 centimeter tall. So it is just double of Jalpa's height. How much tall is Jalpa? So children, see the person who was taller, whose height was 272 centimeter divided by 2. So we will get 136 centimeter height of Jalpas. Now the next activity is, could that person pass through the door of your classroom without bending? Normally, the height of the door is usually 213 centimeter. So, do you think kids, the person whose height is 272 centimeter can pass through the door without bending? No, the person is too tall to pass through the door without bending. Now the next, they are asking, will his head touch the roof of your house if he stands straight? It depends on the height of the room. If the height of the room is more than 272 centimeter, then he will not touch the ceiling. Now the next activity is children, the long and short of your family. So now in your family, who is tall? So you can write your father's mother or your brother's name. So who is tallest in your family? My father is the tallest in my family. Now the next question is, who is the shortest in your family? So kids, you must be short, you must be the shortest in your family as you are the kid. Now the next question is, what is the difference between their height? So kids, what is the difference between height and your height of you, of your parents and height of yours? Suppose your father height is 1 meter 72 centimeter, and your height is 1 meter 10 centimeter. So how much is the difference between your height and your father's height? So children, do the subtraction and you will get 62 centimeter. Now let's move to page number 16. In this inter-school sports meet race, this is a 100-meter race for girls. Arundhati is nearest the finishing line. She is about 6 meters from it. Behind her is Rihanna. Kavita and Uma are running behind Rihanna. Look at the picture. To answer the question below, choose from these distances: 3 meters, 6 meters, 10 meters and 15 meters. Now, see this question A. How far is Rihanna from Arundhati? So, Rihanna is 3 meters far from Arundhati. B is how far ahead is Rihanna from Kavita? And Uma. Rihanna is 6 meters ahead from Kavita and Uma. C question is how far are Kavita and Uma from the finishing line? Kavita and Uma are 15 meters far from the finishing line. Now the next activity is children. Have you heard about a 1500-meter or 3000-meter race? You remember that 1000-meter makes 1 kilometer and 500-meter makes half a kilometer. So see here children, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So half kilometer is equal to 1000 divided by 2. You will get the answer 500 meter. So here 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So what will you say about this question? 1500-meter race people can run how much kilometer? They can run 1.5 kilometer. Okay, now they are asking is, now the next is, in a 3000-meter race people can run how much kilometer? Dash kilometer. So how will you do the sum? 1000-meter is equal to 1 kilometer. So 1500 meter is equal to how much kilometer? So what will you do? 1500 multiply by 1 upon 1000. You will get the answer 1.5 kilometer. So likewise 1000 meter makes 1 kilometer. 3000 meter makes how much kilometer? 3000 multiplied by 1 upon 1000 will give you 3 kilometer. Okay children? Workbook page number 20. Instructions. Students have to use pen instead of pencil. Question number 1. Which one is the longest? Put circle around the order given below the figure. Which figure is bigger in size children? As you can see, D figure is bigger and longer in size. Now let's. In this second question, write the answer to the following question. Which two dots are nearest to each other? Nearest means closer to each other. So you can see with the help of ruler, D and E are nearest to each other as their distance is 1 centimeter. Okay. Now in question 2 only, second one, which two dots are farthest from each other? Farthest means far away from each other. So you can see with the help of ruler, also you can measure F and K are farthest from each other as its distance is 7 centimeter. Okay children? Question number 3, the first one. What is the shortest distance between the dot A and B? So you have to show the distance. You can see with the help of ruler what is the distance. From ruler it is 6 centimeter. So write 6 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move to the second one. Which town is nearest to dot X? Nearest means closer. So from dot X, which town is closer? Town A. And they are asking which town is farthest from dot X. Farthest means far away. So you can see town D is farthest from town D. Right now? Now let's move to next. Question number 4. In which unit you will measure? Centimeter, meter or kilometer? So 1 meter, so first is length of a pen. A length of a pen can always be measured in centimeter. Second, your height. Your height will always measure in meter. Third one, length of a garden. A length of a garden will always measure in meter. Length of a 500 rupee note will always measure in centimeter. Length of a bicycle will always measure in meter. The sixth one, distance from Ahmedabad to Jaipur is always measured in kilometer. Seventh, height of a Qutub Minar will always measure in meter. Eighth one, height of a tree will always measure in meter. Ninth one, distance of a bus station from home will always measure in kilometer. Now the 10th one is length of a cricket pitch will always measure in meter. Okay children, now let's move to the next question. Is fifth, do the changes in the picture as per instructions by drawing them in the space provided. Children, you can use pencil instead of pen. Okay. Now in the first one, increase the length of a hand by 1 centimeter. First children, what you will do, you will measure the length. How much is the length? And then you can do the add plus 1. You will get the answer. That much of length you can make it, that much of you can draw it. For example, if I give you the length of a hand is 5 centimeter. So what you will do, you will increase one number, that is 5 plus 1 you will do, and you will get the answer 6 centimeters. So you have to draw 6 centimeter length of a hand. Okay children, now let's move to the next one. Draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this. So children, shorter means smaller. So you can see this cup. We have to make this cup 1 centimeter smaller. So for that you have to take a small ruler, measure this cup from the top to the bottom. Suppose for example, the cup is 4 centimeters. So you have to make 1 centimeter shorter. For that you have, what will you do? 4 minus 1 you will so you will get the answer 3 centimeter. So see the picture and draw 3 centimeter smaller cup. Now the next is draw a broom with with length half than this broom. Half length of this broom. So how long is the broom? We have to draw half of the length of the broom. So for that you will do children, first you will measure from the starting point to the ending point. Suppose this broom is 6 centimeter long. So you will divide 6 by 2. You will get 3 centimeters. So draw 3 centimeter broom with the help of your ruler. Now the fourth is draw a pencil 3 centimeter shorter than this pencil. Shorter means small. To make this 3 centimeter shorter children, first what you will do, first measure the pencil size. Whatever size is there, minus it with 3, and you will, whatever answer you will get, just draw that much of pencil. For example, if I give you the pencil is 6 centimeter. Okay, so what you will do, 6 minus 3 you will do, you will get the answer 3 centimeter. So draw 3 centimeter of that pencil. Okay children. Now in fifth one, draw hair of double the length. So as children, when you have to double the length means whatever is your length, you have to multiply it with 2. Suppose if the hair is 1 centimeter, so you have to multiply 1 with 2. So you will get 2 centimeter. So you will draw 2 centimeter more length of the hair. Okay children?